Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another episode of Chainsawman. This is episode 11. We only have one more episode left after this, man. This first season has been very good. I've been satisfied with this season. They've lived up to the expectation of being uncensored, raw. We gotten a whole lot of sorrow, bunch of despair. Aki, on the last episode, we found out he only has 2 years left, and he's about to go make a pact with the future devil. What is he gonna have to give up, man? What is he gonna have to give up? Cause he can't lose any more time off his life. He cannot. That is one thing we cannot have happen. Cause the other people, they said one lost 3 out of their 5 senses. I think it was sight. Was it sight? I think it might have been hearing, and the other one might have been tasting. Maybe. But man, Denji empowered training right now. Let's just see what we get into this episode, man. Let's see what this future devil's talking about, man. Without further ado, let's get into the video. One of them gave half their life. Oh, okay. Yeah, eyes, taste, and smell. Okay. Nah, that's over the top, bro. You better give me a crazy ability if I'm losing all that, bro. Aki better sweet talk this devil, though. Now I remember it was an eyeball, and that junk had me in the trance. I'm not gonna lie to you. I wonder if it's like Big Mom. It looks into your soul to see what you're afraid of losing, and that determines. Whoa. That's the thing from the intro. That's the thing that be doing that stupid dance. Okay. Aki better not come off too cold, otherwise he might hold you on purpose. Depends on the future. Oh. Oh, bruh, no way. I'd be scared out of my mind. So can Aki see the future too, or is it just him? Oh, I know he's seeing some craziness. What the hell? What happened? Let me live in your right eye. No. Oh my gosh, Aki's gonna go crazy. This shit already makes me dread season 2, bro. Oh, that shit already makes me dread season 2. Aki's gonna go out crazy. His death is gonna be so sad. Damn, why would they do this to us, bro? That's damn. Damn, that hurt, bro. That hurt. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. No, that's not what he's asking, Makima. Ooh, is this a threat? Okay.
今回の作戦が成功すれば、4課の存在を積極的に報道することになる。
Okay.
そうすれば、4課は今より
So he doesn't trust Makima as much as I don't trust Makima. Damn, Makima is so. Oh, I want to know what she's really after. I really want to know what she's after, bro. They still got zombies. Wow.
ゾンビに噛まれた人間はゾンビになる。
They about to try and make an
それで4巻を終
apocalypse?
わらせる。
You niggas is sick.
俺たちは
They trying to do the Walking Dead in this thing. They're gonna need to get OD strong, and they're gonna have to work at like a well-meshed team, bro.
でも銃の悪魔を殺そうなんて思いませんよ。
That's the only way they could ever kill the gun
無
devil.
理ってわかりますもん。
There's no luck involved. You can't kill the gun devil on luck.
正直
I already
見
know.
てるとムカつくんですわ。弱いくせに漫画の主人公みたいな目標を掲げて痛くて。
Nah, that's kind of crazy because that's literally what it is
だっ
though.
とるやろ。
Aki's like the one that has the, you know, the big goals, the aspirations. Yeah, he's a side character. And Denji has the little goals of going on dates and
あんた
stuff.
は黙って見てればいい。
すべてここに書いてもらいます。
いいよ。しばらく無所に入れて反省させてください。
あなた
No,
の組の名前
Makima's
だ
gonna
け
kill
でな
them.
く、他の組の方のもお願いします。
No, now you want me to snitch. Makima
お嬢ちゃん、
Makima
あんた
bold.
さ、なんも分かってねえ
But she can afford to be
な。そ
bold.
んなこと知ってても告げ口バレたら、組同士で戦争が起こっちゃうよ。バカだね。
国民の安全のためです。
So the snake girl's name is Sawagiri, I think. So she's making the youngins make contracts with the gun devil without permission from the boss.
嬢ちゃん、確かに俺たちも悪さはしてるけどね。
I mean, that's true. That's
中
true.
国とかソ連のマフィアの方がよ。
Nah, I heard them Russians are
そ
crazy,
れを
bro.
俺たちが防いでるんだ。
So yeah, it's understandable, I guess. I understand what he's saying.
デビルハンターが悪魔から人間を守っているように、俺たちヤクザも外国人から日本人を守ってるんだよ。デビルハンターが
Well, I mean that's true, cause you know what I'm saying. 9 times out of 10, gangs start from a good reason, and it just spirals into bad shit.
明日金じゃ仲間は売れんよ。
これはお金じゃありません。
No, I know something crazy in that bag.
ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、おじいちゃん、兄弟、姉妹、恋人、奥さんの目です。
I know you lying. Makima, I know you lying right now. Makima, I know you lying right now. I know you lying. Oh, Jesus. What?
公安には目を元通りにできる人がいます。ご協力していただけるのなら
Makima is crazy. Wow. What the hell?
あなたの言う必要悪というものは
She doesn't have any sacrifices on hand. How is she doing that?
その言い訳は社会に必要ない。
She must have mad contracts. Yet it looks like she hasn't given anything up. She has all her limbs. What did she exchange for all of this shit she has? What is this? Oh, this is another division member? Shark Fiend. Nah, that's kind of crazy. Like Mirio. Is it? Yeah, is that his name? Mirio from My Hero. He can like swim in the walls and stuff. That's cool. Okay, so they still got nice dudes. Violence speed. Wow. This dude just be scrapping. That's NBA Youngboy. They got Youngboy under that mask. They got him under that mask. Spider Devil. Well, that's nice to know. Human appearances equal nice to humans. These are some creepy things, bro. Okay, so I'm glad it's just not Denji and them. No, please don't eat that.
石の悪魔。
Angel Devil.
こいつは特殊な悪魔で人に敵意はないが近づくな。触れると寿命を吸い取られるからな。
So if you touch it, your lifespan gets absorbed? Nah, these are some tapped people, bro. I don't see why we... Nah, okay. With a team like this, we could take the gun devil.
ハンカチ持ってない。
Nah, eating a zombie's head is crazy, though. This is a kid.
よく僕に近づけるね。触れられたら寿命短くなるのに。
目残しだったら大丈夫なんだろう。
Whoa. Okay. This is the coolest one I've seen so far. Angel Devil.
悪魔、こいつを外に運べ。
命令された。まあ、戦うよりはいいけど。
Okay, I'm rocking with little dude. I think it's little
僕
dude.
は魔人たちに任せて。
Ooh. Don't tell me Aki got observation Haki. Don't tell me he got observation Haki. Let's see. Uh-oh. Whose ability is that? Makima's? It's gotta be Makima's. We just seen it happen to the other people. Yeah, they must have got the names. Yeah, she got the names. Oh, I know everybody in there is murked. I know everybody in there is murked. Spit what out? No way. Oh, I knew it. Wow, you got some nerve. Makima got her.
幽霊。あいつを殺せ。
You making Jimenez? What? Nah, Aki, you gotta get that. Nah, Aki, you gotta take her out this episode. Cause that's a different type of disrespect.
僕の力を使えばね、君の右目は少し先の未来。
Yeah, you got observation Haki. Aki with the Haki, you heard me. Aki got that observation Haki. Look at this. And he's still struggling though.
見えるだけだけどね。
They grew back, so he's just doing this for no reason. Yeah, you gotta move forward. Come on, fight back. I know you got another ability.
そのまま絞め殺せ。
Nah, don't go out like this. Do something crazy. Unless Denji gotta save him. Nah, I know you lying. Don't end the episode like that. But yo, my biggest question after this episode is how many contracts does Makima have, and how is she able to have these contracts, and it seems like she's not having to give up anything? Like, what is she? You know what I'm saying? Because those eyes, they put a lot of emphasis on Makima's eyes. So I'm beginning to really think that she's not even human for real. What could Makima give up if she has all her limbs? Maybe it could be her heart. It could be her heart. That's my only guess, because she does come off as really cold. Like, she's literally heartless. Took out the eyes of all these people's loved ones is crazy, bro. That's the only thing I could really see. She had to give up her heart. I don't know, maybe she split it between them. I don't know. That's probably a reach though. But it's like, there's no way you can get abilities these strong and not give up anything. It had to be something crazy. It had to be. Hopefully in season 2 we get Makima's backstory or something, cause This is this is this is tapped. Like this is actually tapped. The amount of power she holds, and we saw dang, I forgot his name already. Sensei. We saw Sensei and her talk, and he was like, "Yo, I don't trust you, but as long as you doing good on humans, I'm gonna leave you alone." And then she tried to give this whole spiel about, oh, once it's done, the vision's gonna be everywhere, blah 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 blah. And he was like, "No, you lying. What does Makima really want? You know what I'm saying?" Cause there's no doubt about it. She knew the attack was gonna happen. Let all them people die. Oh, they attacked me too. That's not what the question was. That is not what the question was. Kishibe, that's his name. Sensei Kishibe. But yeah, I don't know what her real motive is. What is she really after? Like does she really care about humans, or is there an ulterior motive? I don't know. She's so puzzling. You just can't figure her out. But yeah, man, Aki. It seems like Aki made this contract, and he literally has observation Aki, but it's like that's literally it. You get no other special abilities or anything, but you do have the ability to see like 2-3 seconds ahead, so you can counter attacks. But nah, Snake Girl is on demon time. You gonna pull out Himeno's ghost that she had a contract with to make me fight it? Nah. Like, nah, you gotta die. You gotta die. You gotta die. But another thing is we see that the division still has like a lot of strong fiends and devils. The angel devil, I'm rocking with. Little dude. I think it's a dude. I think it's a dude. So yeah, I'm rocking with little dude. And it wasn't the violence fiend. The violence fiend, nah, that's NBA YoungBoy. They just put a mask on him. I promise. Man, he was throwing hands. They said they gotta poison this. They gotta put a poison mask on him to keep him in check. That's crazy. Cause before this episode, I'm like, there's no way we're beating the Gun Devil or his crew, because it's like, bro, these people are strong. Like the Gun Devil himself is strong, or itself is strong. Now that I see this team, we have a much. It's possible now. It's possible. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the next episode. We about to see a smackdown. Katana Man versus Denji, Chainsawman. I know it's coming. Hopefully we get to see Kishibe go all out in the next episode. Power has to go all out, because we haven't seen her go all out once this entire season. Like, we got to see her really, really spaz. We got to see her spaz, because she been keeping it low key. She been keeping herself in check. So hopefully she just goes wild next episode. Man, one more episode left in this season, man. Chainsaw Man season 1. Okay. Mappa been doing their thing, man, and they got a slate next year too. Mappa on top of the game right now. That's the Disney of the game. That's the Disney of the anime game, man. But yeah, man, that was a great episode. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. The full version of this is on Patreon. Everything is on Patreon. It's full, uncut. You dig? But yeah, man, that's it for this reaction. I'll catch you on the next video. Yeah.